Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. History Unit 1. Advent of Europeans to India. What was the capital of Eastern Roman or Byzantium Empire? The capital of Eastern Roman Empire was Constantinople. What was considered as the gateway of European trade? Constantinople was considered as the gateway of European trade. Constantinople was considered as the gateway of European trade. Why? The Arab merchants carried Asian merchandise into Constantinople. Italian merchants would buy these goods and then sell them in European countries. Constantinople became the center of international trade and it was considered as the gateway of European trade. Who had gained monopoly over the trade in Asian countries? Arab merchants had gained monopoly over the trade in Asian countries. Who had gained monopoly over trade in Europe? Italian traders had gained monopoly over trade in Europe. Who captured the city of Constantinople? The city of Constantinople was captured by the Ottoman Turks. In 1453, the trade through the route of Constantinople was not profitable to the merchants. Why? The Turks started levying too many taxes on the goods passing through these routes. As a result, trade became unprofitable. What are the scientific discoveries that helped the adventurous sailors to find new sea routes? The scientific discoveries that helped the adventurous sailors to find new sea routes are the invention of compass, astrolabes, and gunpowder. Where did Vasco da Gama reach in 1498? In 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Kapadu. Who discovered the sea route between India and Europe? Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route between India and Europe. Who were the first to re-establish trade between India and Europe? The Portuguese were the first to re-establish trade between India and Europe. Who were the first to arrive in India for trade and were also the last to leave India by the sea route? The Portuguese were the first to arrive in India for trade and were also the last to leave India by the sea route. Who was the first viceroy of the Portuguese? The first viceroy of the Portuguese was Francisco de Almeida. Who implemented Blue Water Policy? Blue Water Policy was implemented by Francisco de Almeida. Why did Francisco de Almeida implement Blue Water Policy? In order to establish the supremacy over the sea instead of supremacy over land, Francisco de Almeida implemented Blue Water Policy. Who is considered as the real founder of Portuguese Empire in India? Alfonso de Albuquerque is considered as the real founder of Portuguese Empire in India. Who waged a battle against the Sultan of Bijapur in 1510 and won Goa? Alfonso de Albuquerque waged a battle against the Sultan of Bijapur in 1510 and he won Goa. Why was the power of the Portuguese decline in India? The power of the Portuguese declined in India with the arrival of English and French in India. Mention the warehouses of the Dutch. The warehouses of the Dutch are Surat, Broch, Cambay, Cochin, Nagapattinam, Masulipatanam and Chinsura. The Dutch limited themselves to the Spice Islands in Indonesia. Why? Unable to face competition from the English and the French, the Dutch limited themselves to the Spice Islands in Indonesia. Who issued a royal charter authorizing the East India Company to trade with Eastern countries for 15 years? Queen Elizabeth issued a royal charter authorizing the East India Company to trade with Eastern countries for 15 years. Who issued a royal permission to English to establish their first warehouse or factory at Surat? Jahangir issued a royal permission to English to establish their first warehouse or factory at Surat. Who arrived at the court of Jahangir as the royal ambassador from the court of James I? Sir Thomas Roe arrived at the court of Jahangir as the royal ambassador from the court of James I. Who was Sir Thomas Roe? Sir Thomas Roe was the royal ambassador from the court of James I. How did the British establish a strong fort named St. George Fort? The English took Madras from the king of Chandragiri and established a strong fort named St. George Fort. Who gave Bombay on an annual rent of £10 to East India Company in 1668? Charles II gave Bombay on an annual rent of £10 to East India Company in 1668. How did the city of Calcutta grow? The English purchased 3 villages, namely Sutanuti, Kalikata and Govindapura on the banks of Hooghly River and built Fort William. The city of Calcutta grew around this fort. What did the English make of their capital by the later part of 18th century? The English made Calcutta as their capital in the later part of 18th century. Which was the first factory of the French? The first factory of the French was Surat. Where did the French establish their factories? The French established their factories at Machilipattinam, Chandranagore, Mahe, Karaikal, Kasim Bazar and Balasore. What is the capital of the French? The capital of the French is Puducherry or Pondicherry. What is the old name of Puducherry or Pondicherry? The old name of Puducherry or Pondicherry is Valikandapuram. What was the main reason for the Carnatic Wars? Dupleix had the high ambition of establishing The French as a major power in South India, this ambition led to the Carnatic Wars with the English. With which treaty the First Carnatic War ended? The First Carnatic War ended with the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. With which treaty did the Second Carnatic War end? The Second Carnatic War ended with the Treaty of Pondicherry. Which war brought laurels to English and a political setback to French? Answer is the Second Carnatic War. As per which treaty Pondicherry was returned to French? As per the Treaty of Paris, Pondicherry was returned to French. Who issued the dastaks or license to the British? Farrukh Siyar issued the dastaks or license to the British. Who was the grandson of Alivardi Khan? The grandson of Alivardi Khan was Siraj-ud-Dawla. Between whom the Battle of Plassey took place? The Battle of Plassey took place between Siraj-ud-Dawla and the British. What is Black Room tragedy? Siraj-ud-Dawla imprisoned 146 Englishmen in a small room in the fort, of which 123 died. This is called as the Black Hole tragedy or Black Room tragedy. Whom did Robert Clive attract towards him during the Battle of Plassey? Robert Clive attracted Manik Chand, Omi Chand, Jagat Seth towards him during the Battle of Plassey. During the Battle of Plassey, who was the military head of Siraj? Who was neutral? Answer is Mir Jafar. Who became the Nawab of Bengal after the Battle of Plassey? Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal after the Battle of Plassey. Mir Jafar had to pay rupees 17 crores and 70 lakhs to the British. Why? Mir Jafar had to pay rupees 17 crores and 70 lakhs to the British as war indemnity for the attack on Fort William by Siraj-ud-Dawla. Why did the British dethrone Mir Jafar? Mir Jafar became a victim of the company and its employees, even though the treasury went bankrupt due to this greedy nature. The greediness of the company and its officials was never satisfied. Why did the British dethrone Mir Qasim? After verifying the misuse of dastaks, Mir Qasim declared all business was duty-free in Bengal. Indians competed against the British in all spheres of business. As a result, the British trade suffered considerably. So the British dethroned Mir Qasim. Who led the British army at Buxar? Hector Munro led the British army at Buxar. Between whom the Battle of Buxar fought? The Battle of Buxar was fought between the British, Mir Qasim, Shah Alam II and Shuja-ud-Dawla. Who accorded the Diwani rights over Bengal to the British? Shah Alam II accorded the Diwani rights over Bengal to the British, who introduced dual government in Bengal. Robert Clive introduced dual government in Bengal.